right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be trying out the Blackline. It is the Blackline foam cannon. I got this thing off TikTok shop and I'm going to give it a try. Haven't had a foam cannon yet. I've just been using the pressurized one that's right here. This guy kind of sucks eventually, you know, after a long time of continuously trying to pump it. I'm like, well, let me try this thing. I think I got it online for 40 bucks. But yeah, essentially I'm just gonna give this a try, give you guys a review. I've already kind of just pre-soaked the truck. This is a very, very basic wash. I am not doing too much for this. I'm just basically just showing you how foamy the actual product is. But as you guys can see, I've kind of just watered the truck down already. Didn't do too much to it. Just gave it a silky smooth surface. That way the foam can kind of just like rest on there and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna attach the foam cannon to the pressure washer and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so here we are. Got it hooked up. Give it a little twirl like they always do. I got some soap in there. I got Adam's car shampoo in here. And now I'm just gonna kind of spray it on the truck and give you guys a little test of what it looks like. All right, so here you guys go. As you can see, I just kind of was using it on the truck. Now, my initial first thoughts, well, I was kind of concerned how much water was coming out compared to soap base. I tried the top nozzle on the Blackline, adjust the water to foam ratio, and then the nozzle on the end adjust your spray angle or how much you want, like wide or close. Once I figured that out, I'm like, okay, I got this kind of figured out. The one thing that I didn't do, which obviously I knew was probably gonna happen, was the fact that I didn't measure my actual ounces of soap. I kind of just squeezed the bottle in for a few seconds and kind of just called it good. They say between 2 to 4 ounces you should put in and then the rest with water. That was just my initial search through TikTok to see what people were doing. Me personally, I would have done a lot more soap. I like the foamy, suddy, you know, smooth look. This is a lot more water-based. So I'm not too concerned because it's just a test trial. I just wanted to try it out and just to show you guys what it looked like. Once I get the stuff dialed down, all the specs and the amount of soap and the, you know, the right ratio, I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. You guys can go on TikTok as well and view those videos of Blackline foam cannon. But my first impressions, I'm actually really thrilled with it. Like I said, it's just me actually having to dial in the ratios of soap and all that stuff on the actual foam cannon. And I think it'll turn out way better, but this is just a trial. It's super early in the spring here and I know it's gonna be raining in a few days. So it's just like, I didn't really care. But my first initial thoughts, pretty darn good. Like I said, it's super watered down. It's really not foamy at all. It's really just all water. So, but anyways, guys, if you did like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to see more videos. And now that it's becoming nicer out here, I'm going to be trying to record a lot more videos outside. Finally, I've been waiting for this. Here where I live, it's miserable. There's 10 seasons of snow, so it sucks, but it's getting nice out. So hopefully more videos to come soon. Peace out.